Move over, Top Chef, Master Chef, and Iron Chef. Y volunteers are preparing lots more than food. Welcome to the Y's Recipe for Success, where we'll meet the 2013 Volunteers of the Year and discover the ingredients for youth development, healthy living, and social responsibility.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 2013 Volunteers of the Year.
I'm Laura Soldati, your host this evening, along with John Lemley, and we're looking forward to stirring up some fun.
That's right, Laura. These Y volunteers are really turning up the heat. And we're going to get the scoop on their secrets. Let's bring on the first course of experts.
Sherry Vom Saul, McCluskey East Cobb, Northeast Cobb Family YMCAs.
It's been said that through your personality and your attention to detail, that you were able to really take the annual giving campaign up to another level, maybe up a notch or two.
Our whole thing is why it matters, and really sitting back and saying, why did it matter to me? And of course, for me, it's a little bit easier because having that experience as a child with a why, I could go out and tell that, finding that passion and then telling a story that's true, and really thinking in terms of keep it simple.